We're doing something a little bit different today. We mentioned Pristine Auction earlier. They are today's sponsor. Check them out at pristineauction.com. We're getting the Cowboys, as they try to sign Terrell McClain. Let's take a look at one of the Cowboys' all-time greatest defensive linemen. That is Bob Lilly. Now, we're going to go through the top 10 Cowboys of all time later in the show, so we'll get to that here in a minute. But first, a little focus on Bob Lilly. Was an 11-time Pro Bowler, a 7-time All-Pro. He won the Super Bowl. He was, by the way, folks, the Cowboys' first Hall of Fame member and their first Ring of Honor member as well. Was the Cowboys' first draft pick. They traded away their original first pick and then ended up with Bob Lilly the very next year. He is, without a doubt, one of the greatest Cowboys of all time, and without a doubt as well, is frankly the best defensive lineman in Cowboys history. So a trivia question for you guys now. And if you get it right, and if you share the post on Facebook or YouTube, depending on which platform you're watching on, we will give you a signed Bob Lilly Cowboys jersey. So here's the trivia question. If you get it right, you're entered to win. Bob Lilly was the first Cowboys Hall of Famer, but who was the second Cowboys Hall of Famer? I'll throw producer Brett Scott under the bus here. He got this one wrong, so it's not the easiest question that you might think it is here. So here's kind of a look here at the Bob Lilly signed jersey we have for you guys. Coming via Pristine Auction, a fantastic site there. Check them out at pristineauction.com. They've got auctions going on all the time. Daily, weekly, monthly auctions, non-stop on Pristine Auction. You'll find a ton of great stuff on there. Again, right there. There's the signed Bob Lilly jersey, the Hall of Fame from 1980 inductee there. So again, one more time, the trivia question for you. Bob Lilly was the first Cowboys Hall of Famer, but who was the second one? Now, I'm not going to give it away in the comments section either, but if you win, we'll DM you and get you that signed Bob Lilly Cowboys jersey. Again, the first ever Cowboys draft pick, first member of the Cowboys Ring of Honor, and the first member of the Hall of Fame. And by the way, if you don't win today, that's okay. Go check out pristineauction.com. They have all kinds of great Cowboy stuff on there. There's Emmitt Smith signed gear, Roger Staubach, Troy Aikman. Every notable Cowboys player you could want, they're on there with a signed helmet, jersey, or a trading card. Check them out today at pristineauction.com.